Breaking news: PT Dirgantara Indonesia confirmed that they are still running after the Philippine Air Force's long-range patrol aircraft acquisition project, offering the CN-235 MPA maritime patrol aircraft. Since the project already had multiple bidding failures, PTDI is expecting that the DND would undertake a negotiated procurement process, and will approach several proponents and compare their offers. To sweeten the deal, PTDI plans to include participation of Philippine companies in the project, something that they haven't considered in the past offers. Max Defense Philippines believes that PTDI is just one of the possible proponents, while Airbus Defense Leonardo, Saab, and several other companies are expected to make their offers. The LRPA Acquisition Project is one of the remaining Horizon 1 projects in the RAF PMP that has not reached even an award stage. Thank you for watching. For more update, don't forget to like and subscribe.